Okay, ready? And go. Hello, this is the boring show. Just kidding. It's Chloe. Yeah, show. Okay, watch this. I'm going to do the cartwheel. And then switch. It's right here. Yeah. So, yeah. I'll be right back. So people watch this show all the time and see who's performing. Okay, hold it for a minute. Okay, hold it for a minute.
No.
Point at you and say your name.
Michael.